folks, Maverick Indicators here. All right, so taking one contract of CL right here. We had the support level right here, and I got this beautiful reversal candle, and it is just pushing up. We don't have a grade yet on this trade here, but that's okay. Gray reversal candle, totally okay by me. Off the open or something, I would not take a gray candle, but it is 7 a.m. and 7 a.m. You got to know your market, right? So, reversal candles are a-okay by me to take at 7 a.m. Obviously, an indecision candle like this I would not do. But this sucker keeps getting a confidence arrow to the upside. It's pumping pretty good. All 5 traders are voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, and almost the 5 minute. This is the Maverick Multi-X. 5 traders, all with a completely different style, voting every single tick across 6 time frames. And they're really starting to become bullish, coming off this support level right here. We're on a 5-minute chart of CL. We're only in one contract. Maverick Trender is not pegged yet to the top here. Why? Well, because you're having a reversal here. And there's no trend to the upside. There's no trend to the downside. Now we get another candle or two, and the Maverick Trender could be firing. There's a confidence arrow that keeps popping in and out. We're going to keep an eye on that. And interesting markets yesterday. Very, very interesting. I didn't get to post. We have been extremely busy trying to launch this Maverick radar here. If you're a member, please go to the forum in our members area. We posted about the Maverick radar. Go read that, please, please, please. All right, so now I'm just going to sit here and I'm going to wait. Is this going to, here's your challenge right here. This is your guy. That's kind of your zone right here, right? You saw this, you see this, and then now can we break through? I'd love to get some green candles. That'd be really great. So if you're unfamiliar with our indicators, let me walk you through right now because you're probably a little confused if you're not familiar with our indicators. So essentially, as we watch this one contract, probably should have taken 2 contracts now that I'm looking at it, that we're up $360 in short order. So the Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. There we go. Nice move here, $420. So what do I mean by that? Hot pink. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Look at this beautiful sell signal here. Bright green. If you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. The Maverick AI Pro is coloring your candles to the data. We're crunching a huge formula in the background to understand the strength and momentum and all that stuff, whatever adjectives you want to use, with all that data to the downside or to the upside. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Gray candles are reversal or indecision. If it's sideways action, it's indecision. If it starts going in the opposite direction, it's a reversal, okay? All right. I think I already told you the Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders voting across 6 time frames. You can change these time frames to whatever you want. You can actually add a 7th time frame. I never do, but it is in the programming. You can add a 7th time frame. Confidence arrow, beautiful. Would love for it to close with this confidence arrow right here. That would be awesome. Maverick Trender is not firing yet, but the Maverick Trender, but we're up $400. The Maverick Trender, when this line fires to the top, it's showing massive strength and momentum. Look at this. See this? We'll call it there. I mean, that is a huge move in CL. One contract, guys, I'm only gone from here to here. I'm up $470. That is a huge move on CL. We call these flat tops. Flat tops. Let's look right here. From here down to, probably call it like right there. We wouldn't get the full move. That's probably $500 right there on one contract. So shows massive strength and momentum. Right now, you're getting reversals. So during a reversal, like here's a great example. You were coming down and then you hit this brick wall. This is quite the support level, big support level for CL. So yes, you had a 200-mile-an-hour Ferrari, but what did it do? It hit a brick wall. You got to know where your brick walls are. And then when it reversed, the Maverick trender, it didn't fire yet because it wasn't triggering the trend yet. And then you got up here and it took it all the way up. So a lot less fake outs on that indicator. Just drew this line here because this is going to be the guy we're going to need to break to get more up to the upside. Maverick guide, when price is below the blue line, we like to go short. When price is above the blue line, we like to go long. When price is below the blue line, we like to go short, right? Pretty simple. And then what's happening is the Maverick radar here, what it's doing is it's grading each one of the ingredients I'm walking you through. So, you know, Maverick AI Pro, do we have a hot pink candle or a bright green candle? It's going to grade the strength of the candle right here, okay? Second thing of the data, second thing, Maverick Multi-X, you know, like how you got a B setup to the upside. Because all 5 traders are voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, but not the 10 and the 15. So you got a B set up there. Maverick guide, price is above the blue line. So it's giving you the long symbol. Trender is not firing right here. So you don't have a score on that. The bulls are in control. Maverick bear bull coloring your background. Green means the bulls are in control. Red means the bears are in control. Then we got this qualifier that we put in here. It's a pretty complex formula. I never get into it because it would take me about 2 hours and a whiteboard to write it out. But this qualifier is to keep you guys on the right side of the tracks and understand that you're truly getting an A plus setup, a B setup, or no setup. So it's kind of like a safety, if you will. So pretty cool. So hopefully we could start getting some green candles and really push up. But again, you can't ask the world, right? $300 on one contract. We were up over $400 at one point at 7:10 a.m. Eastern time. You know, you don't want to. Nobody's trying to get rich at this hour, right? Big boys are still sleeping. Big boys are still sleeping. Okay, so could I close this out right now for $300? Absolutely, right? And it was clear as day to me with these reversal candles, and then all 5 traders voting bullish across multiple time frames. But my line in the sand really is this Maverick guide, and I want to see how it's going to react between here and here. Okay, if it comes down and I just close it out for break even, that's okay because I got to show you these indicators. But this is what clear vision looks like, and quite frankly, during regular market hours, it's really clear. Oh, I guess I left the trend line on there. There we go, from a trade we took earlier. God, we took CL the other day. We traded 4 or 5 micros, probably risked, I don't know, $100 or something, and we took it for over $1,000. I mean, it was just unbelievable. But if you go back to market open, I mean, it couldn't have been clear, you know. Gray reversal to red to hot pink, your strongest downside candle. This was, you know, you went through the colors of the rainbow here. It was perfectly heat mapped. Okay, then you had a reversal candle, got a buy signal, could have taken it all the way up. Then guess what? Reversal candles. Back under the blue line, could have taken it down. Then guess what? Reversal candle, you got a buy signal, could have taken it up for quite a bit. And then boom, reversal candle, and you had chop. This is like later afternoon. And then market opened back up. And I mean, it doesn't get any clearer than this, folks. I mean, it just doesn't. Bright green, if you see bright green, it might just fly right off your screen. Now, of course, a lot of this is middle of the night action, but man, look at if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Sell signal, beautiful. Sell signal, beautiful. And now we're getting a reversal here. Bulls are in control. Green background. All 5 traders are bullish across at least the 1, 2, 3, and almost the 5 minute. And it's just awesome. Do we have a grade? Do we have the perfect setup right now? No. Come back when market opens, right? We'll probably see plenty of A+ setups when market opens. Here, let's look at ES real quick, and let me not forget about my trade, please. Okay, so ES at this hour, okay, what's ES doing? Look at this buy signal, bright green candle, reversal, gray candles. Are you understanding like how powerful this is? Right now, you got a B set up to the downside. You have red candles, your second strongest downside candle. All 5 traders are bearish across first 4 or 5 time frames. I mean, this thing could just pop down pretty good. But again, it's early in the morning. Beautiful buy signals. God, why was I looking at CL? I should have been looking at ES. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we got to break through this level here if we're gonna make, you know, $500, $600, $700, $1,000 on this trade. Gonna have to break through this level. It wants to. If we can start getting green candles, I'll be very, very excited. Very, very excited. Nothing better than to be done with your day at 7 a.m. Okay, $450 we're up now. This is clear vision, folks. This is clear vision. Okay, this is clear vision. Let's go back. Let's see what ES is doing. Okay, so you still have that B set up to the downside. Beautiful. Down confidence arrow. Ooh, Maverick trender pegged to the top. All 5 traders bearish across almost every single time frame. This thing could really fly down. This thing, you have a B setup. The only thing keeping you from an A setup is hot pink candles. That thing could sink pretty soon here. All right, now we got green candles. Beautiful. Up confidence arrow. These are not buy and sell signals. These are confidence arrows to let you know, hey, you're moving in the right direction. We're up over $500. Okay, on one contract. This is clear vision. Red, your second strongest downside candle. Hot pink, your strongest downside candle. Boom, you hit a major support area. Reversal candles. Now you're getting green candles. All 5 traders are bullish across multiple time frames. You got a B setup to the upside. And can you just wait for a B setup or an A setup? Yeah, we do it all the time during regular market hours. We just wait for an A plus setup and then we jump in, right? So listen, if you want clear vision, if you want edge in the market. This to me is edge in the market, not financial advice. Do your own research. Come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.